How to buy shares of Innovent Biologics Inc. Innovent is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and manufacturing biologic therapies, listed on the HKEX under the ticker 1801. HK. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker 1801 HK to locate Innovent Biologics. Make sure you select the HKEX listing to confirm you have the correct share. Open the stocks page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct Innovent Biologics listing. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or become a limit order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A soft reminder, the link to eToro is in the description, and this content is for educational purposes only.